Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you all my very first LAcomiccon exclusive. It's a Hello Kitty iridescent mini backpack from Loungefly, so let's take a look. One thing I love about Loungefly is that they always package everything really nice, so I know nothing's gonna come messed up. Let me remove this. And I love the little bow. Here she is. This is such a pretty backpack. I'm so excited to have this. It comes with silver hardware. So here is the top pocket, and then here is the bottom pocket. And let's take a look at this little tag. It says Hello Kitty Loungefly LAcomiccon. This is the very first backpack that I have that's from Comic-Con. On the inside it just has a caution, and on the other side it has what it's made up of. So I love it. My husband bought it for me. Here is what the inside of it looks like. It has these pink bows, one big pocket. I need to take those little things out. And it's very spacious. Here is the front pocket with the little Hello Kitty. And this is much bigger than my other zip pockets. This has the little side pockets and of course that really cute bow. Here are the straps, and here is the bottom with that beautiful iridescent purple. And I have to show it to you guys with the light. Here it says Sanrio and Loungefly in light pink and silver. And you can definitely see the iridescent Hello Kitties. This purple is stunning. And here is the back straps. You can definitely see it now, more the iridescent. There's a purple bow. Here is a side view. Beautiful iridescent little Hello Kitties and the bows. She is beautiful. And the zip pockets have Loungefly on the zipper tab. Little details like that I love about brands that pay attention to stuff like that. So let me know if you guys were able to pick this up. It is sold out, and hopefully if you want it, you're able to buy it from someone. This was a little pricey, not too bad. It was at like $105, I believe, with taxes. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.